A single conductor cable has a conductor diameter of 1 centimeter and an insulation thickness of 0.4 centimeter. If the specific resistance of the insulation materials is 3 times 10 raised to 14 ohm centimeter, we have to find the insulation resistance of cable per kilometer. So, we first write in our given. First things first, we are given with diameter of 1 centimeter. So if the diameter is 1 centimeter, 0.5 is our radius because the diameter is half of a radius. Okay? I mean, the radius is half of the diameter. I'm so sorry. Also, we have the thickness, which is equivalent to 0.4 centimeter. We have the specific resistance, of 3 times 10 raised to 14 ohm centimeter. We have the resistance of, or the length, is equivalent to 1 kilometer, also equivalent to 1,000 meter. Okay, 1 kilometer is equals to 1,000 meters. Okay, so what do we have to find? We have to find the insulation resistance. We have to find the insulation resistance. So what would be our formula? Our formula in solving this one is R is equals to phi length multiplied by our 2 pi multiplied by ln R2 all over R1, right? Am I right? Yes. Okay, so how could we get our R2? Because R1 is simply the first radius, the radius of the conductor. So we represent R1 as a radius of conductor, and then our R2 is the radius of insulator. Okay, so our R1 is simply the radius of our conductor cable, which is simply 0.5 centimeter. And then the radius of our insulator is the 0.5 plus the thickness, which is 0.4, right? Okay, so 0.5 centimeter plus 0.4 centimeter, which is equivalent to 0.9 centimeter. That would be our radius of insulator. So let's go ahead and solve. We have the R is equivalent to rho, which is equivalent to 3 times 10 raised to 14 right, all over 2 pi multiplied by RL, which is 1,000 meter, ln R2, which is 0.9 centimeter, all over R1, which is 0.5 centimeter. Okay? Right, so we will use our calculator. We have 3 times 10 raised to 14 all over 2 pi multiplied by 1,000 ln 0.9 all over 0.5. Our final answer will be R is equivalent to 2.80 64 74 596 by 10 raised to 10, or simply R is equivalent to 2.81 times 10 raised to 10. That's the simplified form, or approximately approximately 281 mega ohm. So that would be the final answer.